Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Shopify brand kit with product image templates, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify account. On your dashboard, navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left corner. Click on the brand tab to access your brand kit settings. Here, you'll find options to upload your logo, colors, and fonts. Start by uploading your logo file. Make sure it's high resolution for the best quality. Next, select your brand colors. You can choose colors using the color picker or input hex codes directly. After setting your colors, proceed to define your brand fonts. Choose a primary font for headings and a secondary font for body text. Once you've customized your brand kit, save your changes. Now it's time to create product image templates. Return to your Shopify dashboard and go to Products. Select an existing product or create a new one. Scroll down to the Media section of the product page. Here, add your product images as usual or choose a template. To create a template, open a design tool like Canva or Adobe Spark. Set the dimensions to fit your Shopify product listings. Design your template by incorporating your brand logo, colors, and fonts. After designing, download the template in a PNG or JPEG format. Upload this template back into your Shopify product media. Repeat the process for additional products as needed. With your brand kit and templates in place, your store is ready for a professional look. Regularly update your brand kit and templates as your business evolves. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.